All right, lesson 5. We're going to use 10 to subtract. We're going to make a 10 to solve a subtraction problem. Remember, if you use your practice, do pages like this on your own time. That makes your teachers happy. We're going to turn to the page 62 with the little boy sitting at the table with his books. Looks like he's doing some homework or something at home. All right, so let's read our problem. Josiah has 14 pages to read for homework. I knew it. I knew he had homework. He reads 9 of the pages. How many pages does he have to read now? Okay, so let's start by showing the pages Josiah reads. He read 9 pages. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we got our 9 pages. We're using a 10 frame because we're trying to make a 10 to figure out this problem. Now, how can we show the number of pages Josiah has to read? We know he has to read 14 pages. So we're going to put, I'm going to use this blue marker, and we're going to use blue to put more counters in the 10 frame until they're all filled in 14. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, we got that down. Also, we used this to make a 10. We've got 1 10 filled in. And then we used 4 on the other one. So we know we have our 10 and a 4 is 14. But we had to put 5 more counters on in order to get there. All right, now we have to remember, Josiah has to read 14 pages for homework. And we know that he read 9. He read 9. Now, by looking at our chart, if we look at the 14 and we take away the 9, we know that Josiah has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more pages that he needs to read. So again, Josiah has 5 pages to read now. Okay, so now we're going to go over to the page with the apples on your own. All right. Sadie has 11 apples. 11. 6 are green. The rest are red. How many apples are red? All right, let's take a look here. Okay, so Sadie has 11 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. Now it says 6 are green, and they want to know how many are red. So we're going to mark off these 6 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we want to know how many apples are red. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. So we know that 5 apples are red. On this next problem, it's asking us, how can you make a 10 to subtract 15 minus 9? How are we going to make a 10 to subtract 15 minus 9? I went ahead and grabbed my little 20 frame, and I'm wanting to start at 9 right here. Now, if I would think I just need 1 more to make a 10. All right, so if I start at 9, I add 1 more to make 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10 because I'm adding this 1 right here. Please block your 1 so that you remember we're doing this 1 to make 10. Okay. Now remember, I'm trying to get to the number 15. So I'm going to just fill in. I know I have a 10. I'm going to add 5 of these little blue counters to make our 15, because that's my goal right here. I'm trying to get to 15. And then, okay, so I had that 10. I had this 10 right here. So I'm going to take that 10. I had to add these 5 more to get to that 15. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now remember, block this 5 because that's important. I had to add that 5 more to get to 15. But I counted 6 more in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see I had this 5 and I added that 1. So I took that 5. That's important. I took this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I added this 1. And that equaled 6 that I put on the board. That is an important number as well. Please block that number because that number is what's helping me realize that this 15, this whole 15, this is the 10 and the 5, 15 minus this 9 that I have here equals the 6 that I added to the board. 15 minus 9 equals 6. And that's how I made a 10 to help me subtract 15 minus 9. Also, we're going to block this little 6 right here because I think you might need to know those little things later when you get on the computer. All right, now we have to make a 10 to subtract, and we have to draw circles to show our work. What is 17 minus 8? Well, let's start with let's fill our circles into the 8. Let's fill this 10 frame in. We're going to put 8 in first. So I'm on 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to count on filling this in first down here to make it 10 until I get to the number 17. So I'm on 8. Let's count up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so this is what we did. We made the 10 here. We finished up that 10 frame, and then we went ahead and counted on to the next. All right, so we know we have 17. So 17 minus this 8 we put on, let's count how many we added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 17 minus 8 equals 9. I can just feel you getting smarter every day doing this math. All right, we just finished page 65 with the apples. We're going to go to the back side to these beautiful tomatoes. Oh my goodness, page 66. All right, so Graham picks 12 apples. He gives, oh, not apples, Miss Lewis, tomatoes. I'm still thinking of those. All right, so Graham picks 12 tomatoes, and he gives 5 to his sister, so 12 minus 5. We're trying to make a 10, so right here we did the 12 minus 2 equals the 10, and then this 2 and 3 is the 5. This is where we're getting the 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And then we take this 10 minus 3, 10, 9, 8, 7. And that's what we have left. Graham has 7 tomatoes now. All right, now we need to make a 10 to subtract right here. And we're going to use our markers to show our work. And we have the equation 13 minus 8. All right, we're going to start with this 8. And we're going to draw these counters in our box, 8 of them. All right, so I'm up to number 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm going to fill it up and make a 10. I'm going to count on until I get to the number 13. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so the ones that we added Over here, the blue ones, that's going to help us figure out 13 minus 8 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. I hope that you were able to work these out with me. I apologize if I had video problems. I think I might have fixed it, but I'm not 100% sure. Yes, all right. Enjoy your day.